Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today Bakers from JC Bakers Academy is going to teach us how to do whole wheat biscuits. Now let us see the required ingredients. 110 grams of whole wheat flour, 70 grams of jaggery powder, 70 grams of unsalted butter, 5 grams of milk powder and 10 ml of vanilla essence. Now take the whole wheat flour, add the jaggery powder, milk powder and the vanilla essence. Give a nice mix. Next we are going to add the melted butter. Add the melted butter little by little and give a nice mix. We are not going to use any baking powder or even white sugar, so this is a very healthy version. You won't get a stretchy dough out of this. You are going to just mix it and collect it. This is perfect. Next we are going to flatten it. You should not flatten it very thin. It should have 1 inch thickness. Now dust some flour and roll it with the rolling pin. Just give a light roll. Don't press too much. Now let us shape it with a cookie cutter. We have shaped it. Collect rest of the dough and follow the same procedure. Everything is ready. Next we are going to arrange it in a baking tray. By the time, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake this for 10 to 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. It's now time to take the biscuits out of the oven. This is perfect. We can take it out. Our biscuits are ready. It is perfect, soft and crispy. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.